Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: model number, IMEI, and proof of purchase. This speeds verification. Once done, enable location services and a stable connection because you will request nearby centers. Open the Vivo support app or go to Settings About Phone to view service offerings. This direct route avoids third-party confusion. Make sure notifications are allowed so you receive appointment confirmations, and be ready to tap Find Service Center when the app prompts for your current location. You now find and compare nearby centers. Filter results to show authorized Vivo service centers only, since authorization matters for warranty and parts. Once filtered, examine operating hours, available repair types, and estimated wait times, because that affects whether you book or walk in. Use the app's appointment feature to reserve a slot. If booking isn't available, call the center directly. Make sure to note required documents, warranty card, and ID, so you won't face delays when you arrive. You finish by confirming the appointment and saving precise directions. Arrive 10 to 15 minutes early to check in. Back up your phone and remove the SIM card and any personal accessories, because technicians typically need a clear device for diagnostics. If the app shows no centers or authorization seems wrong, call Vivo customer support or start the in-app chat. They can escalate and provide the only official center details. One tip: if service delays happen, ask for a receipt and estimated completion time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.